Phone you in a week. What is that thing? Dude, something's wrong with it. Bro, I don't trust him. I'm telling you, this thing is dangerous. Oh, there's something outside my door. What's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new episode of Luxury Dark. We've been away for a while, about a year, but thank you so much for 3.3 million subscribers. It's clear you guys love this series, so for more, let's smash 100,000 likes on this video. So for this episode, Chester found a site on the dark web that claims to sell brothers. Now, I'm not really sure what can make random men from online seem like your family, but tonight we're going to sit down and check this site out. Okay, let's sit down and check out this brother site. Dude, don't you feel like this is a little bit weird? I'm sick of getting family members off these websites.
What? No, there's nothing wrong with having a big family.
But these people aren't your family. I'd rather have a kid of my own.
Okay, well, let's just take a look at some of the brothers on here.
Great. Okay, so reading the description on this site, it says your brother will bond with you, protect you, and nuzzle you tightly in the warmth of his armpit. He will never let anyone get near you again. Bro, why would you possibly want that?
I never had an older brother, bro. This is a great opportunity.
Okay, well, let's look at the profiles. Okay, so under these brother profiles, we have Hubert, Melvin, Mr. Smith, Doodles.
Wait, let's check out Melvin. He looks really cool.
This guy looks cool to you. Okay. Looking at his interests, it says he likes to cut off your hair and ingest it whilst you sleep. Dude, that sounds messed up.
We all have quirks, bro.
And he also has an interest here of screaming. Okay, can we just check out a different one?
Alright, let's go to a different one.
Well, let's check out this Doodles guy. Hold up. I got an ad here. Let me close it.
Wait. Dude, look what it says. We will make your perfect clone. Dude, that sounds sweet. Imagine having like 3 of me.
I'd rather not. And besides, even if that were possible, which it's not, it's highly unethical.
Come on, bro, let's just take a look.
Okay, fine, but then we're going right back to this brother site.
Dude, look, all you need is a little bit of DNA, like spit or skin, and they can 100% clone you in a week. Isn't that crazy? We have to try this. Let's do you first.
I said no. We can't just make people out of nothing. It's playing God, and I'm not okay with it.
It has a 100% success rate. If we just send a little in, then we can make another...
No, that's enough. I know you usually get your way, but I'm not doing that this time. We can maybe try going on that brother site again tomorrow, but for now, delete this clone stuff off my computer.
Okay. Jeez. Okay, so Parker usually doesn't get like this, but I think if he met a clone in person, he would have totally different feelings towards them. Okay, so it turned out not to be all that expensive, and Parker's credit card was actually auto-saved on the computer. So it says here, all I need to do is ship some of his salvia to this address, and then I can get my Parker clone. Let's go! Okay, I got a plan. Yo, what you doing in here?
Sending an email. Can I help you with something?
Yeah, the dog got out. He bit the neighbors. I think they're gonna sue.
What?
Yeah, it's really bad.
And you just let this happen?
What do you mean?
Dude, why wouldn't you try to get him?
I don't know. It's your dog.
What's wrong with you?
Okay, I got some of Parker's DNA. I'm gonna take it to the mailbox now. No! Okay, guys, so there might be a problem. I think the dog licked the lid, but I think it's still fine, so I'm gonna just put it in the mailbox now. Okay, so it's been a couple weeks since I sent in Parker's DNA, and I just got an email that our clone was delivered. I'm gonna go get Parker.
What? I'm trying to sleep. What do you want?
Dude, I got a surprise for you.
Okay.
Come on.
Dude, what'd you get me?
You'll see.
I really don't like surprises.
You're gonna love him, bro. Trust me.
Him?
Just open the door.
Dude, you did not go on that site again, did you?
Surprise, bro. I got you your very own clone.
You're telling me there's an alive clone of me in there?
Yeah.
We gotta get him out. We can't breathe. Help me get him in the house.
Okay. Dude, I'm so excited.
We gotta take off this chain.
Just slide it off.
Grab me the scissors. Dude, there's all this plastic in here.
What's in it? Open it.
Dude, what is that thing?
What is it? I don't know. Ew, dude, something's wrong with it.
Oh my god. Dude, there's no way that's my clone.
Well, when I sent in your DNA sample, the dog licked it, but I didn't think it'd be a big deal.
So you're telling me that thing in the box is a combination of me and the dog?
Dude, I don't know, but we gotta get rid of it.
Dude, you created this thing. It's our responsibility now.
No, dude, this thing is messed up. Let's just let it outside or something.
Dude, you don't get it. This thing was born or made in a lab because of you. That means we have to take care of it.
No, dude, this thing is creepy. I don't want it in the house.
Wait, hold on. Where's the clone?
Dude, where'd it go?
Come on, we gotta go look for it.
Okay.
Bro, I have no idea where it went.
Dude, we cannot have it in the house.
Come on, I think it went over here.
Alright.
It's over here. What the hell? Hey, little buddy. Is everything alright? Come here, buddy.
Dude, we gotta get this thing out of the house. I was hoping it would be a perfect clone of you.
Listen, all I know is if this thing comes from my DNA, that means we're family.
What?
He's like my son.
What? No, it can't stay here.
It's not it. It's he. And he has a name. Parker Jr.
Dude, we can't sleep with him here. He could be dangerous.
Junior's not dangerous. But if it makes you feel better, you can sleep in the basement tonight.
Dude, we gotta lock him up. Don't forget he's an animal.
Okay, help me take him to the basement.
Okay.
Come on, Junior. It's time for bed.
Dude, let's go.
Okay, buddy. This is just for tonight. I'm gonna get my room ready so you can stay in there tomorrow.
Dude, this thing's disgusting. It looks sick. We should just get someone else to take it.
Look, this thing has my DNA. He's my blood. We're not getting rid of him. Tomorrow when we wake up, we'll all play together and you guys will get along.
Dude, I'm not doing that.
Listen, this discussion's over. Can you stay here and watch him? I'm gonna go get him some water.
Okay. This thing is so weird. Can you understand me?
What? Why are you freaking out?
Dude, we gotta get rid of this thing. It's freaking out. It just talked.
Hey, buddy. Is everything okay? Look, he's fine. Just don't mess with him again.
Dude, I wasn't. I'm telling you, this thing is dangerous.
Okay, Junior, it's time for bed now. Daddy's gonna go to sleep, but I'll see you tomorrow.
Bro, I don't trust him. I'm putting a camera down here tonight.
Okay? Listen, just leave him alone tonight. I'm gonna go to sleep.
Dude, you should listen to me. Bro. Okay, so I just got into bed and I finished setting up a few cameras around the house. I know Parker wants to keep this thing, but I think it's really dangerous. I guess the only thing we can do right now is go to sleep. Okay, good night. So I think it's the middle of the night right now, and I hear a noise in the hallway. There's something outside my door. There's nothing here. What do you want? What's that mean?
Justin, what are you doing? Why the hell would you bring him up here?
No, it's not. Dude, he was saying something.
Bro, I just put him to bed. Now I gotta do it again?
Dude, that thing isn't what you think. He threatened me.
What are you talking about? Come on, buddy. Daddy's here.
Bro, he escaped. I don't feel safe. We gotta lock him up.
Okay, whatever. What?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, are you happy? Can we go to sleep now?
I guess.
Where's he going? Really, dude? You were that jealous that he liked me more, or what? Dude, that thing was dangerous. For once in my life, I finally felt like I had a family, and you drove him away.
What about me? I'm your family.
You just hate seeing me happy.
What? No. Parker, come back. Please.
Let's hit 100,000 likes for the next Luxury Dark episode to be released. We want to show you guys a little bit of footage from our brand new series where we react to footage we find on the dark web. Luxury Reacts. Click the link in the description to watch the full video and subscribe to Luxury Reacts.
Dude, is that her? Something's wrong with her.
What is that, dude? Bro, what the hell is that thing? Is that a person?
Why is he moving like that?
What's up, guys? Welcome to Luxury Reacts, where we react to videos we find on the dark web. I'm Parker, and this is my friend Chester.
And we're live in the spider's nest right now with our dark web pet Wormy.
I told you to get rid of that thing and stop calling our basement the spider's nest.
Alright, so this one's called Something's Wrong with Grandma.
Bro, I think that's her. Look.
Dude, is that her? Something's wrong with her. Why are her eyes glowing like that?
That's it for now, guys. If you enjoyed that footage, click the link in the description to watch the full video on our new channel, Luxury Reacts. Remember, let's hit 100,000 likes on this video for the next Luxury Dark episode to be released. And let's see if we're strong enough to hit 3.5 million subs. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time on Luxury Dark.